Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust II, reference number 116334. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll go through the movement at the end of the video. Okay, so as of May 2018, unfortunately this watch has been discontinued, the Datejust II. They've been discontinued to make room for the Datejust 41s, which is the reference number 126334s. You can also get them in the stainless steel as well. We do have a video of a comparison between the 126334 and the 116334 on our YouTube channel that you can check out the exact differences between the two watches and see what updates have been made. So specifically, as this model is a discontinued and older model, it used to retail for $91,000 at the authorized dealer. However, there are still some out there, as it's only been very recent. It's only been about a year now for a discontinuation of this watch. So there are still some new old stock and such, and we'll be able to help you out in finding those. So give a quick look through our website at JazTime.com for the most up-to-date pricing for this watch. Alright, so let's go ahead and move right into the dial. So the dial configuration I have in my hand here is the rhodium dial with diamond hour markers. Beautiful diamond hour markers fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. The Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, along with the hour and the minute hand and the seconds hand, are all fashioned out 18 karat white gold as well. So no luminosity on this specific dial configuration. So there's not very much legibility in the night. If you are looking for something more legible in the night, there are the index hour markers, which have a highly legible chroma light display with long-lasting blue luminescence, and you can get that in the black, blue, or silver or white dial. Of course, if you're not interested in the index markers or even these diamond hour markers, maybe the diamonds are too flashy for you, there's also the Roman numerals, and you can get that in a blue dial or black dial with an index 9 hour marker. Besides that, this dial here, nice beautiful sunburst dial, as you can see, as I tilt it to various light sources, you can see that sunburst effect kind of take place and see a shift in lighting on the dial, which is absolutely gorgeous. Matches with the fluted bezel. The fluted bezel is also made out of 18 karat white gold, and you can see as I tilt it towards the different various light sources that captures light in different areas of the bezel, making it very eye-catching overall. As this is a dress watch, we have nice high polish on the case of the watch that matches with that nice fluted bezel, the shimmering of the diamond hour markers, all the way down to the bottom portion of the case. The lugs also a nice high polish as well. The case size of this watch is a 41mm case size, so from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 41mm in diameter. Side profile of the watch, nice high polish on it, and also doesn't sit too high. Will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. Other side of the case, nice high polish, Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. The crown is a screw down twin lock double waterproofness system. Simply unscrews counterclockwise as shown. In this standard position, you can wind the watch from a dead stop. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. So going clockwise, that's how you wind the watch. Tugging the crown out very gently. Oops, give me 1 second here. There we are. Will allow you to change the date instantaneously as shown just by going clockwise. Very easy to do, as you can see. Tugging the crown out to the final position will stop the seconds hand or the hack movement, allowing for precise time setting, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. And of course, the hands move bidirectionally in this position. Pressing the crown back in once more will start that seconds hand. As you can see, it's already started. And always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep the watch water resistance for up to 100 meters to 330 feet. For the style of the Datejust, it comes in the Oyster style bracelet. It only comes in the Oyster style bracelet, while the newer style, the 126334s, come in a Jubilee style bracelet as well. The 116334s, you can only get this in this style of bracelet, which is a 3-piece link bracelet, high polish down the center, with a nice satin finish on the outer of the 3-piece links to contrast a nice high polish down the center to bring more shine out of there. Pattern continues nicely throughout the clasp and onto the other side of the bracelet as well. The clasp is just a simple folding Oyster clasp, as typically known on dress watches for Rolexes. Opening it up reveals this nicely high polished clasp blade with a Rolex name embossed on there. Once again, here's the clasp closed up, and that's how it looks, hidden behind the bracelet. And once again, opened up. Okay, moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this Oyster case backing is Rolex's perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's a caliber 3136 movement, which is a step up from the 3135 movement that Rolex has in their sports watches and other Datejust pieces, which is a very old movement, tried and tested for way over 10 years, so you know it's a very reliable movement. But for the 3136 movement, that they basically taken that 3135 movement and added what's called what Rolex likes to call the Paraflex shock absorbers, which is supposed to absorb 50% more shocks than the industry standard KIF shock absorbers. It still is within precision of Swiss specs, which is the -2 + 2 seconds a day, and has the same functions of the center, hour, minute, and seconds hand, along with the instantaneous changing of the date as I've shown you, with the crown function, and obviously the stopping of the seconds hand as well for precise time setting. The power reserve is still the same. It's going to be a 48-hour power reserve. So that means you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. One thing I forgot to mention is the oscillator is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring that helps out with that precision of that -2 + 2 seconds a day due to the resistance against magnetism for that oscillator. Alright, so let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So find that folding Oyster clasp. There we are. Just to let you know, I have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You see, so a little bit of room there. And there's a watch. Absolutely beautiful dial. Oyster bracelet, just gorgeous as well. The diamonds really work well together with that fluted bezel. The high polish, just overall adding a great shine to the face of the watch, really makes it eye-catching. Okay, so if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.